Make sure you are using a flat, clean, dry surface. Examine your bottle. If this is a new bottle, check the expiration date and label the bottle with the time and date. If this is a used bottle, check the time and date on the bottle when it was first opened. Perform hand hygiene. Remove the lid to your sterile bottle. The lid cannot be on the sterile field. Make sure you are placing the lid on the table beside you with the top side down. Hold your bottle on the label side, palm to label. Do not allow the bottle to touch the container you are discarding into. If this is a new bottle, check your facility policy to see if you need to lip the bottle. If it is a used bottle, lip your open bottle. Make sure you are pouring slowly to avoid splashing. Once you have lipped your bottle, hold over the outside edge of the sterile field and pour into the sterile container. Put the lid back on the bottle. Check your hospital policy if you need to discard after use or save.